This episode on net art and web art is the 9th video in the series that goes along with James R. Parker's book, Generative Art, Algorithms as Artistic Tool.
This chapter is about net art and web art and how to use the internet. And it's really added as sort of a technical thing, but also the fact is that humans can communicate through the internet in a great many ways, but artists can use the internet to show their works. Traditionally, artists have had to fight for gallery space and get various kinds of permissions to show their work. But on the internet, we don't have to get permission. We can just show it and everyone can come and see it. People from all over the world can see your works. So to be able to understand how the internet works and how to use it to create your works is a very important thing. What's more, we can actually use aspects of the internet to create different kinds of visuals and audio. So if you think about a web page as containing information, we can use that information to manipulate our particular work. We talked about randomness many times, but really the internet is a source of randomness. And so we can pick a random web page, we can find what's there and use that information to create drawings and colors and sounds. So for example, how many words are there on this web page? How many mentions are there of proper names? How many, what city is it from? There's a whole bunch of things we can discuss. And that includes things like email, by the way. The internet includes emails and social media like Facebook, and all of these things are parts of the data sources that we can use to create our artworks.
Jim keeps his own web art site up to date, and you'll find links to this gallery from genart.ca. Here you see some images from the book and other works such as generative art animations. He talks about the development of ellipsis and other works in the chapter entitled Down the Rabbit Hole. The book, Generative Art, Algorithms as Artistic Tool, is published by Dervile and Uproot Books.